Section 7. Now you try a new data set. Now let's try something different. There's another data set, a business one this time, and I want you to do all the steps of processing it. But not all at once. The way this will work is I'll describe a step of this task, then you go do it in R, and then you can listen to the short video where I describe what I thought about it. If that's helpful, you can modify what you did, then on to the next step. There's no experience like doing something yourself. So this will be a lot of short segments of video, alternating with bits of you doing things in R. To start, here's the data set, which is freely available in the UCI Machine Learning repository. This page links to the data folder, where you can download the data set and the data description. In the data set, each line is a credit card holder, his credit limit, some demographics, and 6-month histories of his bills and payments, and whether he's current or behind, and how far, for each month. The goal is to predict who will default next month. When you take a look at the data, maybe you'll see why I thought it would be interesting. I'm seeing it now for the first time, just like you. The data file is 30,000 lines, more than I would have liked ideally, but if this becomes a problem, you can take a sample, say 1,000 lines at random, to make a small training set and work with that. Increase it later if you like. I had no problem loading this data set on my laptop, which isn't high-end, though running a random forest fit took an hour or two. I did something else while it ran, and other fits may not return immediately. The data format is an XLS file, and I see there are packages to load that directly into R, but to stay closer to what we did before, I converted it to a CSV and used read.csv as for PIMA. To convert it, I loaded it into LibreOffice, which is available for free download. You can also use Excel, and then saved it as a CSV file. But you can do it any way you like. For what it's worth, I called it credit default in R. So the first step is to get the data into R and read and think about the data description.